Hi guys, Roland from Impress Computers again. We know a lot of business people are having to work from home at the moment, and Impress Computers as an essential business is here to support you. If you need remote support, you can go to our website, impresscomputers.com, click on, just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see remote support. Click on learn more. And just fill in your name. If you have a company, put it in. If there's no company, just put NA and a brief description of your problem. And then simply launch remote support. And if you're using Chrome, it'll be down at the bottom. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, your downloads will be at the top. And straight away it says that you're going to be connected with a representative. And just to show you what it's going to look like, we're over here, it's going to say that we've got somebody waiting for a connection, and we can connect to you. So if you're looking for remote support, we can do that. If you do need to bring it in, we have an option of checking in online as well. If you've got any questions whatsoever, we are here for you. 281-647-9977.